everyone, welcome to this counting video. Today we're going to learn how to count forwards and backwards. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start by counting forward from 1 to 10. Counting forward means going up in numbers. Let's say the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now let's count backwards from 10 to 1. Counting backwards means going down in numbers. Ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counting can be so much fun. Let's try counting forwards again, but this time let's count the footballs as they appear. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic! Now let's count backwards from 10, like we're counting down for a rocket to launch. Ready? Let's start from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! You're doing amazing. Let's play a game. I'll show you some numbers and you tell me what comes next. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? That's right, it's 4. Now let's go backwards. 5, 4, 3. What comes before 3? That's right, it's 2. You did a fantastic job counting forwards and backwards today. Remember, you can practice counting anytime, anywhere. Thanks for joining the counting adventure. See you next time.